VMware Certified Professional is a course designed to demonstrate technical competency with VMware Vsphere related technologies, improve your credibility and deliver business value to your organization by becoming a VMware specialist. This industry recognized course validates that you know how to administer and troubleshoot vSphere v6 infrastructures, leveraging best practices to provide a scalable and reliable virtualization platform for your company. After this course, students will be proficient in installing, implementing and managing VMware Vsphere environments. The VMware course at RstForum will be covering vSphere introduction, virtualized data center, creating virtual machines, managing Vcenter server, configuring and managing virtual networks, virtual storage, virtual machine management, access and authentication control, resource management, monitoring, clustering, high availability, fault tolerance, scalability, patch management and many more topics. So why wait? Enroll at rstforum.net for VCP-DCV and get started today.